Surana ji here? Prince Surana ji? And Shubham bhai. Shubham from Gupta Warriors. Can we have you here, please? Prince Surana ji, we request you to be with us here near the stage, sir. Mr. Prince Surana. जिगर भाई आ जाइए प्लीज. शुभम भाई भी आ गए. जिगर भाई आइए प्लीज. Prince Surana ji, can we have you here, please? All right, guys, we are here for the post-match presentation. The match was played between the Gupta Warriors and the Surana Royals. And the Surana Royals were triumphant in the match. And may I now request Prince Surana ji to please hand over the point-off super striker of the match to Jigar Shah, along with the medal. I'll request Surana ji to please felicitate Jigar bhai with the medal. The point-off super striker of the match, Jigar Shah. What a player this guy is. Every bowler fears him when he bats. But unfortunately, he got out at a very crucial moment. Congratulations, Jigar bhai. And now coming to the Man of the Match award, I'll request Shubham bhai, the captain of the Gupta Warriors, to felicitate Rakesh ji with the Man of the Match. Big congratulations, Rakesh bhai, for this wonderful performance and a well-deserved Man of the Match trophy. Thanks a lot, Shubham. Yeah. So Rakesh ji wins the Bajaj Healthcare Man of the Match after a splendid performance in the last match. So here we are, the live match. And Navkar champs are batting for no loss to the first over. Who's just bowled his first. To bowl his first. On strike is Jine against Nitya. And Ketan is at the non-strikers. Nitya coming into bowl, his first delivery. That's a good. Should just be a single. There's a fielder out there at mid-on. Jinay gives a strike to Ketan. In the air, this could be a catch. He has dropped it after 3-4 attempts. That should have been a catch. It should have been taken. That's a sitter actually. He's dropped it. And Ketan gets alive. A run added to his tally as well. Comes down the track. That's a good shot by Ketan. Oh, that's a good slow delivery. He's missed it completely. Jinay was trying to hit it towards the square leg, but the pitching of the ball was absolutely perfect. That's a good delivery again. He's played it nicely, just a single. The square leg does well. That's the end of the second over. Just 5 of that, 13 for no loss. It's Darshan who's coming into bowl his first over. And he has been one of those important players in this team, especially the way he's bowled. Good delivery, good start. Oh, and he's missed the full toss. That's a good shot. Comes down the track, just a single. And they are desperately running. This could be a run out. Yes. Eventually, they sacrificed it for the team. Oh, and 1 run short as well. Would you believe it? So no run added to the tally. That's just a dot ball. Because of the short run, this has now turned into a dot ball. Such a wonderful shot played at the extra cover and getting no run. Adding insult to injury, the umpire's decision, actually. That's a good delivery. He's gone. Tremendous bowling by Darshan, and both the openers now back in the pavilion. And probably that's what the team wanted as well. This is the third over, and the score is 14 for 2. Nafkar champs. They are batting first, and they would want to score some good amount of runs. So we've got two new batters at the crease. Chintan and Rohit. Chintan on strike. Darshan has bowled a tremendous first over of his spell. 4 गेंदों पर सिर्फ 1 रन दिया है दर्शन ने. And let's see how Chintan fares now. That's a good delivery. It was a quick one. He was trying to just shuffle across and play it towards the deep square leg. Missed it completely. Just a dot delivery. Down the track, that's a good shot. There's a fielder out there. He didn't go for the catch, just a single. But that's a good intent shown by Chintan. He's off the mark on his second delivery, and that's the end of a very good over by Darshan. Just 2 of that. And the score right now is 15 for 2 after 3. So they still have 3 overs remaining. Three overs 15. And the ends have been changed now. As always, after 3 overs, the ends get changed. We all know that already. Just reiterating for the benefit of our viewers. And it's going to be Rohit on strike. Beg your pardon, Chintan on strike. The left-handed bat, Chintan, has done well. Played 2 deliveries. And the intent has been really good, although he scored just 1 run. And we've got Rakesh Jain coming into bowl. Yug Rakesh Jain, beg your pardon. So it's Yug who will be bowling the 4th over of this innings. And on strike is Chintan. 15 is the score. They would want to reach at least 40 runs at the end of the over. Oh, and he starts off with a poor delivery down the leg side. That's a big wide. A run added to the tally, given as an extra. That's a good shot. He sliced it, but there is a backward point in place, just a single. And Rohit on strike. So this is what the Nafkar champs want. Rohit to be on strike as much as possible for the next 2 overs and 5 deliveries. The score is 17. This is 4th over, and Rohit will be facing his first delivery. Rohit has the ability to change gears at any point of time and change the course of the match as well. Will he be able to do this today as well? Yesterday he was really good. Oh, and that's a big wide. Yug missing the line on when both the batters have batted. That's a good shot. And he's trying to come back for the second, but that's a good recovery by the fielder after a bit of a fumble. That's a good shot, but there's a fielder out there. Should just be a single. And they would want Rohit to keep on strike as much as possible. That's why they're not just attempting the second run. That's a good delivery. They're appealing big time. Look at him. He's just racing towards the umpire. And still he's appealing. He wants the umpire to raise his finger. Just look at that. The umpire says no. Oh, and a lot of drama. And the umpire has asked the keeper to go back to his position so that the match could be continued. That is some real good drama happening there. And he's still appealing. Look at that. But that was a good delivery. Eventually, just a dot. That's a good shot. This could be a catch. Oh, he's played that in the gap and 2 runs to be taken. Oh, and he's missed that as well. So, would have any which ways been a couple of runs, which they complete. Nicely. Okay, guys, there's an important announcement. There's a key of a car. 9111. 9111, guys. A car key is with me. In the air. Could be a catch. Oh, what a catch. Brilliant. And Darshan, as usual, safe as houses. Brilliant. That's a big wicket. Rohit's wicket. And Yug, after bowling those wides and extras, gets the big fish. And Rohit coming back to the pavilion. Darshan taking another wonderful catch. All right, guys. DJ, just a moment. I have a car key with the number 9111. Can somebody please let us know whether this is your car or not? People are talking about auctioning it. Guys, 9111. The flat number is A Wing 5302. भाई किसका गाड़ी है? Okay, guys, the score is 22 for 3 at the end of the 4th over. This is the 5th. Last 12 deliveries remaining. Purneet coming to. That's a short delivery. He's played that nicely in the gap. Should easily be a couple of runs. Oh, that's the throw at the wrong end. There should have been a throw at the bowler's end. Was an out chance, which goes a begging. And 2 runs added to Chintan's score and the team score as well. Oh, and that's a good delivery. Good comeback by Purneet. Oh, wonderfully bowled. He was trying to shimmy down the track to hit it through the covers, but just changed the length at the last moment. Purneet, tremendous bowler. The thinking cap is always on when Purneet is bowling. Short delivery, played nicely. There's a fielder out there. Should just be a single. He misses that, it seems. No, that's a good comeback by the fielder. Great recovery. And they've come for the second. This is tremendous running. Good piece of work by Chintan and his partner. Ankit Gala is the batter at the non-striker end. In the air, this could be chance of a run. Will he come back for the second? It seems yes. He's coming back. Chance of a run out. That's a loose throw. 2 runs taken easily. This is tremendous running and they're desperate for every single right now. And why not? The score is not too high at the moment. It's like 28 now at the end of 4.5. Just 7 deliveries remaining. They would want to score at least 40, if not more. Oh, he's got him! Would you believe it? What a delivery! The perfect Yorker. And Chintan had no clue about that. That's a big wicket at the right time. 5 overs have been bowled and the score is 28 for 4. Tremendous bowling indeed. And Purneet comes back really strong. Last over in this first inning starts off with a wide. Down the track, could be chance of a boundary, but that's a very good piece of fielding. Not coming for the second as well. This is something I think they should have gone for. Good start by Yug to his second over. The score is 30 for 4. Quite muted batting performance by the Navkar champs. Could have been a much better one. Just like Jigar is very important for Gupta Warriors, Rohit is also a very important component for Navkar champs. That's what we've observed. And if Rohit doesn't score, of course, there is a bit of lack of runs in the final score. That's a wide. So Yug again missing the line. Not the first time he's bowled a wide. Oh, that's a great slow delivery. Tremendous comeback. Missed it completely. Ashay. 3 deliveries still to go, and that's a good delivery again. Chance of a run out. Oh, he's missed it. And they'll come back for the second as well. He should have gone for the overarm throw. Oh, and he's coming back for the third. What is happening? And he's gone. The third run could not get completed. So that's a good attempt by the batters. I'll request the captains of John Lee Vikings and RP Warriors to be ready for the toss, which will be conducted right after this innings. The captains of John Lee Vikings, Dilip Bhai and Manish Bhai, RP Warriors के कप्तान, आप दोनों से अनुरोध है कि तैयार हो जाएं टॉस के लिए. Chance of a run out. Oh, and he did not choose to throw. He should have gone for the run out because there was a backup. Single given. That's a good shot. Will he come back for the second? Yes. They don't have. Oh, that's a very poor throw, and could be chance of a third as well. But no. So that's the end of the innings. 36 is what they have managed to score, which is not a bad score, but could have been a bit better. 37 to win for the Diamonds team. All right, guys, important announcement. Important announcement, guys. The breakfast counters are about to get closed in around 5 to 10 minutes. तो जिन्होंने भी अपना नाश्ता नहीं किया है, ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया है, please have your food and enjoy the delicacies. Last 10 minutes बचे हैं breakfast counters को close होने के लिए. We request all of you to please proceed for your breakfast in case you haven't got a chance to have your breakfast till now. Breakfast counters अगले 5 से 10 मिनट में क्लोज हो जाएंगे, बंद हो जाएंगे. जिसने भी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया है प्लीज कर लीजिए. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि अपना नाश्ता
टॉस का बॉस स्पॉन्सर पारंश पारंश गया पारंश बैटिंग
Can we have Tavisha here, please? Rakesh ji's daughter, Tavisha. Can we have you here for the toss, please? Toss ka boss. Tavisha, आप आएंगे क्या, please? Are you there, Tavisha? मनीष भाई, मनीष शाह जी.
मनीष ए मनीष प्लेट रख रे प्लेट रख
Manish bhai, we request you to please join us here for the toss. Okay, guys, we are here for the toss for the match between two wonderful teams. We've got RP Warriors being led by Manish Bhai, and we've got Dilip ji as the captain of the John Lee Vikings, and we've got Manish Bhai who will be spinning the coin for us. He's one of the sponsors of this event. So Dilip to call. Manish spins the coin. Green shield is what he's called. And it's one of Avigna Buddies. So Manish Bhai. One Avigna Buddies. You won the toss. What would you like to do, Manish Bhai?
बॉलिंग फर्स्ट यस
कल के दो मैचेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हुए हैं. आपके जो पहला मैच हारने के बाद जो आपने बाद के दो मैच जीते, उससे टीम का मोराल बिल्कुल अच्छा हो गया होगा.
एकदम हाई है, पूरी टीम का मोरल एकदम हाई है और सब लोग खुश है. हम लोगों पे तो बहुत बड़े भाव भी लगते थे, नहीं ये था वो था, सब लोग अंडरडॉग समझ रहे थे, बट ठीक है, जीत रहे, मजा आ रहा है.
मनीष भाई, आप बहुत टेक्निकल प्लेयर हो. यहाँ पे अविग्ना बडीज़ में और अविग्ना सोसाइटी में द मोस्ट टेक्निकल एंड एनालिसिस करते हैं ना जो हर चीज़, तो मनीष भाई इज़ द टॉप आई थिंक हो यार. सो मनीष भाई, आपने अभी बॉलिंग लिया है, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न कि आपने बॉलिंग लिया? मतलब आपको क्या लगता है जॉन ली मारने की ज़्यादा?
माइक की वॉल्यूम थोड़ी सी बढ़ाना प्लीज. अक्षय, माइक की वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करना.
तो हम नहीं मार पाएंगे, इससे हम जितना मारे उससे एक दो रन आगे मारे.
मनीष भाई, कल शाम की आपने ये वाले मनीष भाई की इनिंग देखी थी कल शाम की जिन्होंने चेस किया?
जॉन ली हम लोग
मनीष भाई, मैं वही तो बता रहा हूँ कि मनीष भाई एकदम टेक्निकल प्लेयर है. उनको कहाँ रोकना है और कहाँ मारना है उनको बरोबर पता है.
मनीष भाई नाम ही ऐसा है, मनीष भाई है ना. हर मनीष नाम का आदमी मैंने बड़ा ही देखा है. सृष्टि गोल्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इन सेंटर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड वेरी वेल नोन ब्रांड इन गोल्ड इंडस्ट्री. सो मनीष भाई, इट्स एन ऑनर एंड प्रिविलेज कि आप वन अविग्ना के भी फैमिली के भी हो और हमेशा हमारे वन अविग्ना प्रीमियर लीग में आप स्पॉन्सरशिप भी देते हो. विकेट्स जितने भी बॉलर्स को मिल रहे हैं उसको मोटिवेट करने के लिए सृष्टि गोल्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ऑलवेज.
नेक्स्ट ईयर से खेलने के लिए बोला.
तो मनीष भाई, माइक मैंने सीधा मनीष भाई के पास ही कर दिया कि ये बोले तो ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा.
अब दिलीप भाई के पास आते हैं.
आई विल गो विद द सर्जरी. आई थिंक आई हैव टू गो विद द सर्जरी दिस ईयर. और नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे भी खेल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आता हूँ, ग्राउंड देखता हूँ, फील्ड देखता हूँ, तो इतनी इच्छा होती है कि कैसे इवन आई एम कंट्रोलिंग माई स्पोर्ट. आई हैव स्टॉप प्लेइंग माई स्पोर्ट सिंस 3 years, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर श्योरली आई विल प्ले.
अब आते हैं दिलीप भाई के पास. दिलीप भाई, you lost the toss. You've been asked to bat first. तो क्या सोचा है? आपकी टीम ने भी कल जो कमबैक किया है पहले मैच हारने के बाद, वो काबिले तारीफ है. तो दो बहुत ही जबरदस्त टीमें आज क्लैश ऑफ द टाइटंस कहते हैं ना, उस तरह का मैच होने जा रहा है. क्योंकि आरपी वॉरियर्स भी बहुत अच्छा खेले और आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा खेला.
जॉनली में विकी है और दिलीप भाई कैप्टन है, और विकी उनका प्लेयर है, उनका मास्टर कार्ड है. कल भी इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से चेस किया और वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड मैच, टाइट मैच था और ये लोग जीते और इनको रिक्वायर्ड था. तो जॉनली मतलब दिलीप भाई आप क्या बोलते हो?
मैं तो दिल से ये चाहता था कि मैं टॉस हारूं ताकि मैच जीत सकूं.
क्या बात है, इन्होंने मैच के
और-
पहले ही छक्का लगा दिया. आपने मैच खेलने से पहले ही छक्का लगा दिया.
यस यस यस. और मैं मनीष भाई की बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूं क्योंकि वो बॉडी से कम दिमाग से ज़्यादा खेलते हैं. तो हमको उनको नहीं हराना है, उनके दिमाग को हराना है और हमारी
Wow.
पूरी कोशिश यही रहेगी.
वाओ, वेल सेड दिलीप भाई. बट कुछ एक ऐसा जो आपने स्कोर सोचा हो स्कोर बोर्ड पे लगाना चाहेंगे? पहले बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं.
देखो, मैं चाहता हूं कि हमारे रन बनते दिखे. मेरे मुंह से बोलना सही नहीं रहेगा.
क्या बात है.
That's it, everybody.
So
From
guys, the
presentation.
news from the center is that the RP Warriors, they won the toss and they have chosen to field first, and John Lee Vikings will be batting first.
मनीष भाई, हम चार साथ साथ हैं और पूरा अविघ्न फैमिली साथ साथ में है. सृष्टि गोल्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
उधर उसके पीछे भी है, ड्रोन भी है, वो पीछे पीछे हो गया ना, हो गया ना तेरा.
मनीष भाई बता रहे हैं कितना खर्चा किया है. इनडायरेक्टली आपको इधर भी है, उधर भी है, उसके पीछे ड्रोन भी है.
खर्चे अविघ्न का टूर्नामेंट में खर्चे का तो बात ही मत करो.
Thank you, Srishti Manish bhai, and all the best, Dilip bhai and Manish bhai.
And now we're coming to the live match here. Shot delivery pulled brilliantly. What a shot! Brilliant! And that's a boundary. Tremendous batting by the youngster. Doesn't matter how old are you, if you know how to play this game, you can also be a Vaibhav Suryavanshi. We know what he's been doing at the international level. Just have a look at that, how he just hooked it. Okay, what a hook shot. Probably one of the best shots that we've seen in the entire tournament. A complete technically sound that was. So it's Pritesh who's played a brilliant shot, and he's just taken us by storm with that brilliant hook shot. What a shot that was. I wish I could keep showing you the replay of that shot. And these young talents, these are the ones who are going to represent their teams at various levels in the coming years. It's Purneet on strike, 2 overs, 16 for 1. They need 21 and 24 deliveries. Looks to be a walk in the park for the batting team, but you never know when Kailashji's team is bowling. Anything could happen. That's a great shot. There's a fielder out there. Chance for an out. Oh, that was a loose throw. Just a single. Very nicely played by Samkit. Scorer. बैटर पुरनीत नहीं, आपने पुरनीत लगाया हुआ है बैटर. पुरनीत रनिंग कर रहे हैं. Please check the name of the batter's scorer. Samkit is batting along with Pritesh. Samkit is on. Okay, Purneet is batting. Beg your pardon. Pritesh. Oh, in the air. Could be a catch. What a catch that is. Brilliant. Important wicket in the context of the game. He was playing so well. What a shot he played. That hook shot, and this will be remembered for long. That shot that he played. Very solid. He missed it. But what a knock. A short but a sweet, important one as well for the team. All right, guys, the breakfast counters are about to get closed in 2 minutes. अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो ले लीजिए. 2 मिनट में breakfast counters बंद हो जाएंगे. Oh, that's a big wide by Kailash. Darshan just lets it go. The score is 19 for 2, just 18 required to win. That's a good piece of batting, just a single touch. Playing it really softly and taking a quick single. Oh, and that's a wide down the leg side. So, missing the line on a number of occasions in this over. Kailash, the captain. Extra runs being given as freebies, which is not the need of the hour. They don't have a big score to defend. Full toss. Good shot. Will be a boundary. What a shot that is. Brilliant. Another full toss. Purneet playing it nicely. 2 runs for the taking here, easily, and this is brilliant batting by Purneet. He's taken the team score to 29, rather 27. Just 10 runs to win. This match is now, looks to be a one-sided contest. What a shot! Brilliant, and that's a boundary. Is that a 6? Oh, that's a 6. Absolutely brilliant batting by Purneet. For a moment we thought this could be a catch, but huge 6. Tremendous batting by Purneet. He's taken his game to an altogether different level, and the match has now become just a one-sided affair. 33 for 2 in 3 overs, and the runs that are required to win this match is just 4. And the next match is going to be a blockbuster match, guys. Mark my words. RP Warriors are facing the John Lee Vikings. RP Warriors, they won the toss, elected to field first. John Lee Vikings will be batting first. This is going to be a crackerjack of a match. But the live match right now, it looks to be a one-sided affair. Yes, Ayan, you want to say something? Just like yesterday?
Yeah. We won wicket again.
You will get wickets, don't worry.
Okay, I'm waiting for the wickets to come again.
At the
Okay.
That's a good shot. Just a single. The scores are level. Just 1 run to win. A comprehensive victory is in the offing here for the Diamonds team, the S. Abhishek Diamonds. That's a good shot. And that's the end of the match. Good running between the wickets. A thumping victory for the Diamonds team here over the Navkar champs. Navkar's game yesterday was absolutely brilliant, but today in the first match they have been comprehensively beaten. And this could be a cruel game. We all know that.